Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Level Up Your English.
Hey everyone.
Welcome to Day 17 of our Speak English in 30 Days series.
In Day 16, you learned how to make friends in English.
And today, we're going to learn how to talk on the phone in English.
This is very useful in real life, because sometimes you need to call someone, answer the phone, ask who is calling, or leave a simple message.
Phone conversations can feel difficult at first. You cannot see the other person. So clear and simple English is very important.
In today's lesson, we're going to learn easy phone phrases you can use in real situations.
You do not need difficult English. You just need simple, polite phrases.
Let's start with some very useful phone expressions. Hello?
Hi, this is Emma.
Is Jake there?
Yes, speaking.
Can I speak to Emma, please?
Just a moment, please.
He's not here right now.
Can I leave a message?
Sure.
I'll call back later.
Very good. These are very common phone phrases. You hear them all the time.
Let's understand them step by step.
If you call someone, you can say, "Hi, this is Jake."
That means you are saying your name. You are telling the other person who is calling.
If you want to talk to another person, you can say, "Can I speak to Emma, please?"
That is a very polite and useful question.
If the other person is on the phone, they may say, "Yes, speaking."
That means, yes, this is Emma.
If the person is busy or not there, someone may say, "He's not here right now."
Or, she's busy right now.
Then you can ask, "Can I leave a message?"
And later you can say, I'll call back later.
Very good. These are very simple phrases, but very useful.
When you talk on the phone, the goal is not to use perfect English. The goal is to sound clear, polite, and calm.
In the next part, you're going to listen to full phone conversations. Just listen first. Don't repeat yet.
Try to understand the situation. Listen to who is calling, who is answering, and what they say on the phone.
Then, in the final part, we will practice together.
So stay with us and let's continue. Now, you're going to listen to full phone conversations. In these conversations, one person is calling and the other person is answering.
That is very important, because in the final part, you will practice the same kind of phone English.
So first, just listen. Understand the situation and get familiar with the phrases.
Then, in the final part, we will practice together.
Hello?
Hi, this is Jake.
Hi, Jake.
Is Emma there?
Yes, speaking.
Oh, hi, Emma.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm good too. Are you busy right now?
Not really. What's up?
I just wanted to ask about tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yes. Are we still meeting at the cafe?
Yes, we are. We're meeting at 3 o'clock.
Perfect. Thanks for calling.
No problem. Now let's listen to another example. Hello?
Hi, this is Jake.
Hi, Jake. Can I help you?
Yes. Can I speak to Emma, please?
She's not here right now.
Oh, okay. Can I leave a message?
Sure.
Please tell her I called, and tell her I'll call back later.
Okay. I'll tell her.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Now let's listen to one more example.
Hello.
Hi, this is Emma.
Hi, Emma. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. Is Jake there?
Yes, speaking.
Oh, perfect. I just wanted to ask you something.
Sure. What is it?
What time does the class start tomorrow?
It starts at 10.
At 10?
Yes, at 10 in the morning.
Great, thank you.
No problem.
Now let's listen to a longer phone conversation.
Hello.
Hi, this is Emma.
Hey, Emma. How's it going?
It's going well. Sorry to call so late.
That's okay. What's up?
I wanted to ask about the weekend.
Sure. What do you want to know?
Are we still going to the park on Saturday?
Yes, I think so. The plan is still the same.
Okay. What time are we meeting?
Around 11.
11 in the morning.
Yes. Near the main entrance.
Perfect. And who else is coming?
I think Anna is coming too. Maybe Tom as well.
Nice. That sounds fun.
Yeah, I think so too.
Should I bring anything?
Maybe some water? And maybe something to eat?
Okay, no problem. I can bring sandwiches.
Perfect. That would be great.
Okay, thanks. See you on Saturday.
See you.
Now, let's listen to another situation. Hello?
Hi, this is Jake.
Hi,
Can I speak to Emma, please?
this is Emma.
Great. I just wanted to check if you're free this evening.
This evening? Maybe. Why?
I'm going to call Anna later, and maybe we can all talk together.
Oh, nice. What time?
Maybe around 8?
Okay, that should be fine.
Perfect. I'll call you again later.
Okay, talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye. Now, one more short example.
Hello?
Hi, this is Emma.
Hi, Emma.
Is Jake there?
Yes, speaking?
Oh, good. I just wanted to say I can't come today.
Oh, okay. Is everything all right?
Yes, everything is fine. I'm just very busy.
No problem. We can talk tomorrow.
Thanks.
See you tomorrow.
See you. So, in these conversations, we are using simple phone English for real situations.
We introduce ourselves, ask to speak to someone, leave messages, and ask simple questions.
That is very important, because in the final part, you will practice these same situations yourself.
So first, just listen, understand the situation, and get familiar with the phrases.
Then, in the final part, we will practice together. Now that you listened to the full phone conversations, let's practice the most useful phone phrases together.
This time, repeat the key phrases out loud after us.
This is the moment to speak. And don't worry about being perfect.
Hello?
Hi, this is Emma.
Is Jake there?
Yes, speaking.
Can I speak to Emma, please?
Just a moment, please.
He's not here right now.
Can I leave a message?
Sure?
I'll call back later.
Very good.
Now let's practice a few longer phrases.
Hi, this is Jake.
Hi, this is Emma.
Can I speak to Emma, please?
Please tell her I called.
I'll call back later.
What time does the class start tomorrow?
Are we still meeting on Saturday?
Excellent.
Now it's your turn. This time, answer with your own ideas.
Hello?
Can I speak to Emma, please?
Is Jake there?
Can I leave a message?
What time are we meeting tomorrow?
Take your time and answer out loud.
Now one more time, a little faster.
Hi, this is Jake.
Hi, this is Emma.
Can I speak to Emma, please?
Is Emma there?
Yes, speaking.
Can I leave a message?
Very good.
Today, you learned how to talk on the phone in English.
And this is only day 17.
Tomorrow, we're going to learn how to talk about problems in English.
So you can explain simple problems and ask for help naturally.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and continue this 30-day journey with us.
See you in day 18.
See you tomorrow.